Today, I'm going to teach you how to install the Stock Market Overview plugin on your WordPress website. This plugin is a fantastic tool if you want to display real-time stock market data directly on your site, making it perfect for financial blogs, investment websites, or any platform where market information adds value to your content. First, you'll need to access your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Make sure you're using an account with administrator privileges, as you'll need the proper permissions to install and activate plugins. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard interface where all your site management options are available. Next, look over to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your WordPress site. Hover your cursor over the option labeled Plugins. When you do this, a submenu will appear with several choices. From this submenu, click on Add Plugin. This action will take you to the plugin installation page where you can search for and add new functionality to your website. Now you'll see a search field at the top right of the plugins page. This is where you'll look for the specific plugin we need. Type Stock Market Overview into this search field. WordPress will automatically start showing you results as you type, filtering through thousands of available plugins to find matches. Look through the results carefully until you find the plugin created by Stock.io. Once you've located it, click the Install Now button that appears on the plugin's card. This will download and install the plugin files to your WordPress installation. After the installation process completes, which usually takes just a few seconds, the Install Now button will transform into an Activate button. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your website. This step is crucial because simply installing a plugin doesn't make it functional. You need to activate it for it to start working. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated the Stock Market Overview plugin on your WordPress site. The plugin is now ready to be configured with your preferred stock market settings and can be added to your pages or posts to display live market data to your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.